Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining that how to check search history of Facebook. The process is straightforward and effortless. Make sure your Facebook app is up to date. After it, all you have to do is open your Facebook application. After it open, tap on these three lines which are on the right top. And here tap on this setting icon. Now scroll down and look for the option activity log. Here you can find the option activity log. Tap on it. And here you can see public posts, public tags. Simply swipe this to the left side. And here you can find the option search history. Tap on it. So it's my search history on Facebook. So it was the basic way by which you can check your search history of Facebook.